Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Rahman and today we are going to talk about Meta Hero token and some updates and news related to this token in this short video. So let's get started, and before starting the video you can go and follow me on my Twitter and on Instagram. You can find the links in description. What's going on with Meta Hero is after their Future Blockchain Summit, the price decreased like rapidly. Let me show you the price of Meta Hero right now here. You can see here the price is like 0.09 on 9 cents, minus 20% in last 24 hours, and that's like a huge drop. It was standing on 16 cents to 7, to be honest 17 cents. It was on 17 cents, now back on 9 cents, and in last 24 hours the high is 12 cents. And why that happened and how, what's going on, all the things I'm gonna talk in this short video. You can see the graph here. Let me show you the graph of last 7 days. It's going down badly here. Of 1 month it's a hype and then goes down. So what happened is during the event or between the event the price went down, and to be honest I was expecting this type of thing also, even though we were saying that after FB Summit, after Future Blockchain Summit, it's gonna go up or stuff like that. That is the case also. But do you guys remember what happened with Cardano smart contracts day and stuff? Cardano price went down and it's still on 2.1, even though it was standing on 3.2 or something like that before the event. So after the smart contract launch and all the things, Cardano price dropped. And similar thing happened with Future Blockchain Summit also. People were holding, people were buying Meta Hero, especially for this date, and they was going to sell on this date. People were holding Meta Hero just for this day and they were gonna sell on this day, on this event. And when this event was going on, a lot of people started selling, some big players, and like the trend followed, and now we are seeing it's, while making this video, it's now on 0.095 and minus 21% down from 20%. It's still dropping. You don't need to worry about it. Why is that? Because it's a long-term hodl coin. It's not a pump or dump. It's not some dog coin getting out of hype and now whales dump it and it's not gonna go up. Future Blockchain Summit was just first big move from Meta Hero, to be honest. They revealed this scanner as you can see on your screen, and these pictures I showed you before the revealing. And if you don't believe me, go check it out, my previous video, check the time there. Before the revealing of Meta Hero scanner, I showed you these pictures because I got these exclusive pictures from someone from the team, and they allowed me that I can share that with you guys in the video. So the scanner looks amazing and everything looks amazing, but the game in terms of price is different here. Price going down 20%, 21% down in last 24 hours. But if you are holding Meta Hero for long term, you don't need to worry about it, because when you're holding some coin for long term, for example I'm holding Cardano and my price target is 5, I'm not gonna be scared if it goes to 3 and then back to 2 or stuff like that. Yeah, but I don't know what your strategy is, or if you are doing some short-term trading, but then it may be a different case for you guys. But to be honest, this thing is for long term. If you are holding Meta Hero and you are afraid of these type of drops, then stop cryptocurrency overall, because it's really normal. Even in altcoins, even in stable coins, even in Bitcoin, that's how it works. The purpose of making this video and talking about all this stuff on the price thing is, some people are so afraid, like, oh my god, it's dropping, it's dumping, stuff like that. It's really normal. If you are new here or if you're seeing this type of thing for the first time, then then I can't say anything, but this is totally normal. And especially on the events, these type of things happen. People buy it specifically for the event and they sell it on the event. But if we see Meta Hero, if we zoom out the picture, it's a big project, it's a futuristic project. Saying this from day one, when its price was on 0.02, if you bought that at that time, you're still in profits. So it's like 0.09. I don't think so it's gonna go more down than that, or maybe, I don't know, I'm not saying anything or predicting anything. But the main thing is that it has a lot of things started. The Future Blockchain Summit was the first big thing from them. There are going to be listings, not saying Binance listing or anything like that. It is for the last, I guess. Before that, some big exchange or famous exchange listings, and much more from Meta Hero, because they are focusing on our technology, which seems like a future. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. And yeah, I made a Facebook logo in my previous video thumbnail that was only for, you can say, clickbait or stuff like that. I'm not gonna do that again. It was Future Blockchain Summit, not Facebook Summit, obviously. But I saw some other people was doing, so I did that also. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next video. You can subscribe my channel for more videos like that and for some updates on meme coins and stable coins and some good gems. See ya, take care.